5 Effective exam preparation techniques. Preparing for exams can be challenging, but with the right strategies, students can boost their chances of success. This video will explore 5 effective techniques to help you ace your upcoming exams. Number 1. Time management. Developing a study schedule. Number 2. Active learning. Engaging with the material. Number 3. Practice tests. Simulating the exam experience. Number 4. Stress management. Maintaining calm and focus. Number 5. Targeted study. To the point study.